Hello guys, this is your fitter coach Ripu Daman. I use someone who is stuck with limited weights at home. So today I'm gonna share my ways on how I make my workouts more challenging during the home workouts. So let's get into it. First thing first, change the way you add load to your sets. Now what I mean to say, some people are habitual of increasing the load each set and reducing the repetitions. So while working out at home, we don't have much freedom of adding the weight because we have limited weight. So instead of increasing the weight each set, you start with top set from the very first set you are doing. Let me just tell you how. Now some people start from the lower end of weight. Let's say they are doing bench press and they are starting with 10 kgs. I have 10 kgs minimum. So 10 kgs, first set they are doing with 10 kgs, right? And while approaching second set, they think, oh, this is too light, I should increase the weight. Then they start with 15, then 20. So as the time progresses, you will understand you can lift a little heavy from the beginning. So instead of starting with 10, start with 15 or start with 12.5 or a little heavy weight. If you have tried the first point already, there is no scope of adding load. What you can do, second thing, adding the repetitions. So instead of doing like set of 10, set of 12, we can perform further reps to increase the intensity. So let's say I usually do 10 reps. To make it more challenging, I can add some more reps. Now by doing this way, you are adding intensity to your set, and you can add extra reps in the first set and see if that works for you. Otherwise you can add extra reps in each set as you progress. Now if you have added load, you have added repetitions, and still you feel that the workout is not challenging enough, you can add more sets. So let's say I've been doing 3 sets of bench press, right? I can add one more set to it. I can make it 4, right? I can make it 5, depending upon my total volume. Added the load, added repetitions, added sets, still not feeling challenging. Now you can add this technique, static reps. Let me show you how to increase the difficulty. So let's say I am been doing dumbbell press like this. So what I'll do, I'll keep my one arm static and perform the exercise with one arm and then with other, or I can mix it up, like one from this side, one from other. Other than this, you can pre-fatigue the muscle which you are working. Let's say I am working chest today, so before starting the exercise, I will pre-fatigue my muscle using any exercise, bodyweight exercise or resistance band. So here I am using push-ups to pre-fatigue my chest muscles. So by doing push-ups before my workout, I am pre-fatiguing them, and when I'm gonna do bench press or any exercise of chest, this way the weight, the load will feel a little more to me as compared to my previous working days. Try increasing your range of motion. So basically nothing difficult. So I'm giving an example of squats. So usually I do perform squats like this, right? Now I'm stuck with limited weights at home. What I can do other than adding rep sets and all the above mentioned things. I can try to increase. I can try to increase the range of motion. So I can try going little deeper. Basically, I used to do this at gym. Not necessarily, but I can try going down. And the same goes to any other exercise. Let's say you are doing dumbbell shoulder press. So we at the gym we used to do like this. Now you can try increasing the range of motion, adding unilateral movements. So what I mean to say, let's say, basically unilateral means doing with single limb. So here I'm gonna perform stiff leg deadlift, which we usually do at gym with the barbell. Right now we don't have much freedom of weights, right? We can't do add more weight. So what we can do instead, we can shift this bilateral movement to unilateral. How? So you can try with single leg. So the same load which two limbs were pushing, now only one single limb is pushing that load. So it is a overload technique. Or you can perform, you do squats usually, right? Now you can do this unilateral. So let's say with one limb, split squat we call this. So instead of two legs pushing the weight, same weight, now the same weight is being pushed by one limb, right? So it is a way to add difficulty to the workout. You should consider adding these pointers only if the first three load, reps and sets are not enough for you. So this is the other one. You can decrease the resting period in between the sets. By this way, you are voluntarily decreasing the recovery period in between the sets, hence making it more challenging for you to perform the exercise. Add more variations. So as many variations you can add, but again remember, only if first three are not enough for you. Reps, load and sets. Add variations to your workout. There are many variations you can perform at home workout. Basically mainly are the body weight ones. For example, so let's say I have training legs, so we can do squats, right? We can do barbell squats, we can do dumbbell squats, we can do goblet squats, we can do sumo squats. You can add more variations, so this will add more volume to your workout. Add burnouts, finishers to your workout. Let's say I'm doing legs workout today. After doing all the barbell squats, goblet squats, hamstring work, calves work, in the end I can add a jump squats to it, or doing chest workout, and in the end I can add push-ups. Also for shoulders I can add handstand push-ups in the end. For back you can add pull downs, pull-ups actually. Remember not to apply all the things at once. Start with the first three, load, reps and sets, and gradually move to the next ones. This was your fitter coach Ripudaman. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do share with your friends. Cheers.